Okay, here we are again. And today what we're going to do is, I'm going to call it pot roast inspired pork chops. I'm basically just going to throw some stuff in here, the normal stuff you would with a pot roast. We're going to do it right here in the Instant Pot. You know, a little bit of celery, onion, carrots, brown gravy mix, salt, pepper, which I don't have on here. Let's get that out here. Not that kind. We gotta get this kind. And we're gonna do it all in this Instant Pot. So first thing we're gonna do is take the lid off this. Get some of this stuff away from it. And hit the saute button. Put a little olive oil in there. Okay, we'll let this get hot, open these pork chops up, sear them off real nice in there, add all the other ingredients in, turn it on, cook it for, I'll say 25 minutes, and we'll see what it turns out like. Look at there, manager specials. Always look for the manager special when you go to the store. You get some good deals. Okay, while this was getting hot, I went ahead and chopped up the celery and onion for now. We're going to get to the carrots in a minute. But now we've got to put these pork chops in. So let's do that next. Okay, pork chops are in. Listen to that. That's the beauty of this Instant Pot, because you can sear your meat right in here. You know, cook it through. You don't have to cook it though. I mean, the pressure cooker would cook the meat without browning it, but I like the flavor of browning the meat ahead of time. So, but like I say, the best part is that you do it all in this one pot. When these are brown, we add the rest of the stuff. Put the lid on it. Set it for 25 minutes, and just wait. Okay, let's put up some other veggies. Okay, let's turn these pork chops and see what they're looking like. Oh yeah, looking good. That's what I'm talking about. I don't know why I still got these laying here. Let's get rid of them. Okay, we got the veggies all cut up. Look at that. Don't them look nice? You see how there's more carrots? That's because I like cooked carrots. I love cooked carrots. Let's check on our pork chops. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Listen to these baby sizzle. I can't say it enough, but I love this Instant Pot. I absolutely do. And that stainless steel liner in there, it's so easy to clean up. The brown stuff that's on the bottom that gets stuck, once you get done pressure cooking, all that stuff just comes right off. It's about time to put everything in. Let's see here. Turn this off for now. And we're going to add our veggies, our brown gravy mix, salt and pepper, a little bit of water, and put the lid on and let it do its thing. Okay, I added in 2 cups of water. We're going to put our Put our veggies in. See if we get them in here without spilling too many. Oh yeah. A couple landed back here, but that's okay. We'll pick them up and put them right back in there. Okay, so we got the veggies. I'll find a spoon. See, you don't need to fill this, you don't need to get the water over top these vegetables, because when it pressure cooks in here, it'll cook those perfectly. And that's the trick to using one of these. You gotta kind of find out, you know, what works. If you want something real liquidy like a soup, or if you want, you know, something like a pot roast, like I said, this is a pot roast inspired pork chops. So we're just gonna go with that there. Put a little bit of salt in here. A little salt. A little fresh cracked pepper. I need 2 hands for that. Okay, there's the pepper. Now we're going to put the reduced sodium. That's because I got high blood pressure. Put the brown gravy mix in here, just like so. Just pour it right on top of them, right on top of everything else. Get it all in there. Okay, I think that's good. Gonna give this a little stir just to get the gravy down in there. It doesn't got to be that. I got a little crazy on that one. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just get it down in there, because this Instant Pot will do the rest. And I just got the pork chops laying right on the bottom of all this. Well, that one came up a little bit. See it trying to get out of there? You can get back down in there, boy. Alright. Okay, the brown gravy mix looks like it's mixed in there pretty good. So what we'll do, we'll put this lid on. You know what I like to do sometimes though? Just go across this and make sure that there's nothing on there, because that's your seal. That's what this seals to, that rubber seal. You want that to have a good seal, so put that on there, close it, make sure this is on sealing, as you can see. Okay. Get rid of the dishes, put these over the sink. Keep my spoon though, you're going to need that. Put this on manual. And like I said, we're going to go 25 minutes. That might still be too long for this, but you know what? At least we'll know it's done. So 25 minutes. It's on. We gotta wait for it to build pressure. I'll clean all this stuff up, and we'll see you in 25 minutes. Okay, the steam is all gone, so here we go. Let's do this. Oh, look at that. Oh man. Let's get this lid over here so we can get our spoon. Tell me that don't look good. Now you see what I mean? You see how them vegetables cook down? You don't need a lot of liquid. And the liquid you put in here stays in here because it has nowhere to go. Except that little bit of steam at the end, but let's get some of this on a plate and try it. Oh, that smells good, man. Would you look at that? Look at that. 25 minutes in the old Instant Pot. So tender. Don't even need a knife. Oh man, this is good stuff. I've said it before, if you don't have one, you need to go get one. They're excellent. Oh, and this tastes so good. Mm. Until next time, thanks for watching.